Is this thing on? All right, guys. It's Sean with Tread Cred. Today, I'd like to show you how to remove some of those bomb-proof stickers that we sell. I have one of our sticker boards here. Maybe you put your stickers on a window of a vehicle, maybe on your laptop. But this example, I'm going to show you taking it off of one of our sticker boards. So you want to remove this sticker. They are on here pretty good because that's how we make them, practically bomb-proof, right? But you notice when you start peeling it off, maybe there's some residue left behind, or it's just a little bit tricky to kind of get it off and actually get a grip so you can yank it off. So that's what we're going to show you how to do today. Couple things that you're going to need. Recommend having a rag of sorts, something that's kind of clean, nothing too porous that's going to scratch the surface that you're scrubbing off. Recommend having a razor blade, a sharp razor blade. And lastly, pick up some of our bomb-proof sticker remover. Also, it's known as rubbing alcohol. Okay, well, looks pretty good to me. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks a lot.